Do you know that all AHD cameras are analog cameras? Yes, the letter A in AHD stands for analog, and so AHD simply refers to analog high definition. And analog cameras in general are identified by the presence of the B and C connector you find as their video terminal. And so any camera that comes with a B and C as its video terminal is an analog camera. And you can find some analog cameras having resolution as high as 1080p. That doesn't change the fact that it is an analog camera once it comes with a B and C connector. When it is an AHD camera, it is an analog high definition camera.